Hey, what is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So, as you guys seen, I was at the bowling alley in Vandalia. And I did my open bowling over there. And I do apologize for the slow internet connection. And I ended up buying another twister. So, let's see if this has changed any. Not too bad. People might think they sound awful, but to me, I score better bowling at a bowling alley with synthetic pins. Anyway, there you go. There's your sound test. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you. We'll see you next time.